Hi there! Today I will give you a review about Sony Srs Xb43 speaker. The Srs Xb43 is the biggest and most expensive model in Sony's new trio of portable, waterproof Bluetooth speakers. It's also priced fairly for the amount of audio firepower it delivers. This loud, bass-forward speaker, in addition to its rugged build and big sound. It features built-in LED for a fun light show, and adjustable EQ so you can dial in your audio preferences. It also fills a gap between tiny and massive portable models, earning it an editor's choice for outdoor speakers. In terms of design, at 4.8 by 12.8 by 4.6 inches, HWD and 6.5 pounds, the Srs Xb43 is available in black, blue, or taupe. It has LED bands that wrap around its left and right ends, and the drivers behind the grille are also lit by pale LED. The performance of Srs Xb43 delivers powerful low-frequency response. At moderate volume levels, the bass is still robust, and at top volume levels, it doesn't distort or thin out too much, as is sometimes the case with a portable speaker employing too much DSP or digital signal processing. Despite being a front-firing speaker, the Srs Xb43 still manages to get a good score in our outdoor scenario, thanks to its solid timbre and artifacts performance. However, it is not suited for a friendly gathering or a party. Besides the fact that sound is evenly distributed at 360 degrees, it also exhibits aggressive high mids at louder volumes, and slightly lacks high and low end extension. Finally, spatial attributes are only middling, with wideness that could be improved, and quite poor localizability of sound sources. Distance rendering, while very accurate for higher-pitched instruments, is less realistic for low-pitched voices. The speaker proves well-suited for relaxing at home and listening to music or podcasts at bedtime, but also for outdoor use and for watching movies. As promised, the Srs Xb43 does deliver a fairly balanced sound, as well as clear upper mid-range frequencies. As a result, voices and higher-pitched instruments are notably clear and natural. The Sony Srs Xb43 delivers a fairly contrasted audio performance overall, with very satisfying results for certain sound attributes, but disappointing results for others. With an overall score of 122, the Srs Xb43 ranks below similarly priced competitors, and is even a few points below the top-ranked speaker in our essential wireless speakers category. While the Srs Xb43 is well-suited for quiet use cases, such as relaxing at home and listening to music or podcasts before sleeping, thanks to well-preserved dynamics at low volumes and natural upper mid-range frequencies, its spatial and artifacts results do not make it the best choice for a party or for a friendly gathering. Though designed for outdoor use, its outdoor features and abilities, waterproof, dustproof, battery-operated, USB charging port, appropriate timbre and artifacts performance are somewhat diminished by the fact that its sound is not evenly distributed at 360 degrees around the speaker. To conclude, the Srs Xb43 is the most expensive of Sony's new Srs speakers, but in terms of both size and price, it fits somewhere in between two other models we really like. The smaller, the Srs Xb43's excellent waterproof rating and powerful audio output are marks in its favor, and the LED lighting is a fun added bonus. If you're wanting to spend less than all of these options, the Sony Srs Xb43 is a solid alternative with less audio firepower but the same rugged, waterproof build. The bottom line is, the Sony Srs Xb43 is a bass-forward Bluetooth speaker with an outdoor-friendly design, built-in LED lighting, and lots of power for the price.